Good morning, children. I, Ankita Snehi, your science teacher. Today I have come to discuss you all from chapter 2, all exercises of the chapter. So before I start with the exercise, we will discuss some words to learn. So number first, A, favorite. 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 B, color. Color. C, sport. Sport. D, study. Study. E, neighborhood. Neighborhood. F, surroundings. Surroundings. G, chemist. Chemist. H, neighbors. Neighbors. I, garbage. Garbage. J, dustbin. Dustbin. K, healthy. Healthy. Now coming to the next part, it is objective type questions. Number A. Encircle the correct answer. 1. We should keep our surroundings clean, dirty. Answer would be clean. Second, cars/stars can be found in our neighborhood. Answer would be cats. Number third, cars/plants keep the air fresh and clean. Answer is plants. 4. Clean/dirty surroundings keep us healthy. Answer is clean. 5. Garbage should be thrown into a flower pot/dustbin. Answer is dustbin. Next question is, unscramble the words to find the answer. 1. Area around you is called. Here is a word unscrambled. Answer is surroundings. Surroundings. Number 2. The people who live close to your house are called. Answer is neighbors. Neighbors. Number 3. We should grow more. Answer is plants. Plants. Number 4. All the things around your house form your. Answer is neighborhood. 5. Plants keep the air fresh and clean. Answer is clean. 6. Dirty surroundings make us. Answer is ill. Now come to the next question is, answer the following questions. 1. Name 2 man-made things in your neighborhood. Answer, house, car. Question 2. Name any 2 natural thing that you like in your neighborhood. Answer, trees, grass. Question 3. Name 2 non-living things that you like in your school. Bus, classroom. So that's all for today, children. I hope you will like this video. Now we will meet in the next video. Thank you.